Welcome to ML RadioForge, the simplest way to run your own online radio station. In this video, we'll walk through everything the platform can do, from your very first login to publishing content for your listeners. Let's start here, on the login page. If you've already purchased a license, you'll have received an email to set up your password. From now on, you simply enter your email and password right here to sign in. Once you're in, you land on the overview page, your starting point every time you log in. On the left, you'll see the full menu: station setup, music, integrations, the AI upgrade, content studio, AI schedule, and sponsors. We'll go through each one step by step. Notice the Getting Started guide link at the top, highlighted in green. That's always here if you ever need a refresher. Let's start with station setup. This is where you give your radio its identity. Enter your station's name, a short description, your genre, and a slogan if you'd like one. You can also upload a logo image. This appears on your public listening page and in your social media videos. Scroll down and you'll find the song request channels. You can add a WhatsApp number, a Telegram username, an email address, or a phone number. Listeners will be able to reach out and request a song directly from your public page using whichever channel you've set up. If you're on the base version, you can activate one channel at a time. With the AI upgrade, you can activate all four at once. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. Your station now has a public page ready to share. We'll look at exactly what that page looks like a little later in this video. Next, let's connect your station to AzuraCast. This is the actual hosting service that broadcasts your radio. ML RadioForge doesn't include hosting itself. You'll need your own AzuraCast account, which most affordable hosting providers offer. On the integrations page, enter 3 pieces of information your hosting provider gives you: your server address, your station ID, and your API key. Click Test Connection to make sure everything is linked correctly. Once connected, you'll see a button right here to start or stop your broadcast. No need to log into AzuraCast separately for that. This page is also where you'll come back to if you ever need to update your hosting details. Now let's add some music. Click Music in the menu. Use the Upload button to add a track. Give it a title, an artist name if you have one, and select the audio file from your computer. You can either assign it to a playlist right away or leave it unsorted for now. Tracks that aren't assigned to a playlist will never play. They just sit here in the Tracks Without a Playlist section, waiting. There's a limit of 10 unassigned tracks at a time, so don't forget to organize them. To create a new playlist, simply type a new name in the playlist drop-down when assigning a track. ML RadioForge creates it automatically. As soon as you assign a track to a playlist, it syncs to AzuraCast on its own. No extra steps needed. Each playlist has its own switch to go on air or stay disabled. You can have several playlists on air at the same time if you'd like a mixed rotation. Use the Sync to AzuraCast button on any playlist if you ever want to repeat the sync manually. This is what your listeners see when they visit your station's public link. Your logo, name, and slogan are at the top, followed by the player itself. Listeners simply tap play to start listening. No login required on their end. Below that, if you've set one up, is the Request a Song button, linking directly to whichever contact channel you configured earlier. Further down, you'll see your genre tags, and if you've added any, your sponsors window. We'll cover how to set that up shortly. This whole page updates automatically as your station changes, so it's always worth sharing with your audience. Let's look at sponsors, found in the menu in amber. This feature lets you turn your station into a source of income. You can add up to 6 sponsors: local businesses, shops, anyone who wants visibility on your station. Enter the sponsor's name, set an expiration date based on whatever deal you've made with them, and optionally upload an image or logo. If you don't have an image, their name is simply displayed as text instead. Once added, your sponsor appears in a rotating window on your public page, right below the player, the same size as the player itself. If you have more than one sponsor, they cycle through automatically, one at a time. When the expiration date passes, the sponsor disappears on its own. No need to remember to remove it. You can also delete a sponsor manually at any time. Inside Content Studio, you'll also find social videos, available to everyone, no upgrade required. This tool turns a track or a spoken announcement into a short vertical video, ready to post on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Choose a track or an announcement from the drop-down, then upload a cover image. This becomes the video's background. Click Generate Social Video, and after a short wait, an MP4 file downloads automatically, showing your station's name, the title, and artist on screen in fire red text. A track always produces a 90-second clip. An announcement's video matches the length of its own audio instead, up to a maximum of 3 minutes. This is a simple way to promote your station or even your sponsors across social media without needing any video editing skills. Everything we've covered so far works on the base version. Now let's look at what the AI upgrade adds. Go to Upgrade to AI in the menu to see the details and complete the purchase. Once unlocked, head to AI settings to connect your own OpenAI account. You'll need an API key, which you generate yourself on OpenAI's website. This keeps your costs low and fully under your control, since you only pay OpenAI for what you actually use. With the AI upgrade active, you can write or generate spoken content for your station, translate it automatically into English, Italian, or Spanish, and schedule it to play on air automatically. You can also activate every song request channel at once instead of just one. Inside Content Studio, below Social Videos, you'll find the AI tools. Choose a content type, a station ID, a promo, a slogan, an announcement, and give it a title. Write your own text or let the AI generate it for you based on a short topic you provide. Once you're happy with the text, generate the audio. ML RadioForge turns it into natural spoken voice using your OpenAI account. You can do this in up to 3 languages for the same piece of content, so the same announcement can play correctly no matter which language your station broadcasts in. Each piece of content you create also appears in the social videos drop-down under announcements, so you can turn your spoken content into a social media video too, not just a track. AI schedule. This is where you decide when your AI-generated content actually plays. Choose a piece of content, select a language, and set a trigger, either after a certain number of tracks like every 3 songs, or at a fixed time every day. Once you save a rule, ML RadioForge syncs that content to AzuraCast and keeps it playing automatically, exactly when you scheduled it. No need to touch anything again unless you want to change the timing. And that's a complete walkthrough of ML RadioForge. From logging in to setting up your station, uploading music, connecting sponsors, generating social videos, and unlocking the full power of AI-generated content. Everything is designed to be simple, even if you've never managed a radio station before. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your new station.